Hi, Mia. What are you doing? Nice job, Luce. Christmas tree. Mia. Bully beatdown. Is that what you're having? You think you're very tough. You are not tough, Mia. Hey, hey, hey. Lucy says, I'm not playing with you. Mia, you're afraid of the Christmas tree. Lucy's not afraid of the Christmas tree. Good girl, Lucy. Little Mia. Yes, hello. You're going to leave Lucy alone? Mia? Lucy says no. Mia? Come here, you rascal. You little rascal. Good girl. Good girl, Lou. What are you doing, Mia? What are you doing? Are you trying to rascal the Lou? You're pretty. You're pretty, Mia. Pretty Lucy. Pretty girl. Pretty girl. Lucy, who's pretty? Is Lucy pretty girl? Oh, she's so pretty. Mia. Mia. Mia Ramona. Is she Ramona, Lou? I think so. You ready to go to bed? It's good night.